enrichment activity on the topic polyhedrons. What is a polyhedron? In geometry, a polyhedron is a three-dimensional shape with flat polygonal faces, straight edges, and sharp corners or vertices. The word polyhedron has slightly different meanings in geometry and algebraic geometry. In geometry, a polyhedron is simply a three-dimensional solid which consists of a collection of polygons, usually joined at their edges. The word derives from the Greek poly, meaning many, plus the Indo-European hedron, meaning seat. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional version of the more general prototype in geometric sense, which can be defined as in arbitrary dimension. The plural of polyhedron is polyhedra, or sometimes polyhedrons. Types of polyhedrons. Polyhedrons are classified and named according to the number and type of faces. A polyhedron with 4 sides is a tetrahedron, but is also called a pyramid. The 6-sided cube is also called a hexahedron. A polyhedron with 6 rectangles as sides also has many names. A rectangular parallel-sided, rectangular prism or box. There are only 5 types of polyhedrons: the tetrahedron, the 4 triangle face, the cube, 6 square face, the octahedron, 8 triangular faces, the dodecahedron, 12 pentagon faces, and the isosahedron, 20 triangular faces. Examples of polyhedrons. Examples of polyhedrons include a cube, prism, or pyramid. Non-polyhedrons are cones, spheres, and cylinders because they have sides that are not polygons. A prism is a polyhedron with 2 congruent bases. In parallel planes and lateral sides are rectangles. Here are a few examples and figures of polyhedrons: a cube, prism, and a few examples of non-polyhedrons: cone, sphere, and cylinder. Thank you.
Max activity. Non-polyhedrons is an explanation on non-polyhedrons. Types of polyhedrons. Cylinder, 2 circular bases, rectangular lateral surface. Cone, 1 circular basis, lateral surface is a sector of a circle. Sphere, circular cross section on any cut largest circle passes through center.
Morning all. My name is Amin Muhammad Rafiq and today I am going to be talking about the pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon and whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex, as you can see in the figure. A pyramid is a three-dimensional shape or a 3D shape. It has a polygon base and a side that joins at a common point, which is called the apex. It is also known as the vertex. The most famous example for such a pyramid in real life is the Great Pyramid of Giza, as you can see in the figure. It is situated in Egypt. If you join all the corners of a polygon to a point not in plane, you get a model for a pyramid. That's all. I hope you understand everything. Thank you.
My name is Ashanta Matthew. I am studying in class 8. Now we are going to discuss the difference between prism and the pyramid. Before that, there is one similarity between prism and pyramid is that these two are polyhedrons. But there are two main differences. In prism, there are two congruent bases, as you can see in the figure. But on the other hand, in pyramid, there is only one base, as also you can see in this figure. Now, second difference is that in prism there are rectangular side faces, as you can see in this figure. Whereas in pyramid, uh, there are there are triangular faces which meet at one vertex. I hope that you all understood. Thank you.